So the question asks us to find how many of the 5 molecules are polar. And the first of those molecules is SO3. So the first part you need to do is find your Lewis dot structure. You do this by first finding how many valence electrons you have. You have 6 from each oxygen and 6 from the one sulfur. And that gives you 24 total valence electrons. So then from that you make your Lewis dot structure. So you put 3 oxygens on the outside and a sulfur in the middle. And then you form octets on each of the atoms. And then to check to make sure your Lewis dot structure is correct, you calculate the formal charge for each of the atoms. The formal charge for the oxygens is 0, and the formal charge for the sulfur is also 0. And the partial charges on the atoms are the oxygens have all slightly negative partial charges, and the sulfur has a slightly positive partial charge, and the oxygens have a slightly negative partial charge due to their high electronegativity. And we have to find the bond dipoles, and to do that you draw an arrow starting at the partially positive atom and going towards the partially negative atoms, which are all the oxygens. And then to find the net molar dipole, you have to first find the electron domain geometry. So to find that, we have 3 domains and 0 non-bonding pairs, so we have 3 overall domains, which is trigonal planar. And trigonal planar looks like this. So as you see, the dipoles are going in these 3 directions. So if you write them as vectors, you can see that all of these dipoles cancel out. And because they cancel out, that means there is a 0 net molecular dipole, so this molecule is nonpolar.